Hey friends, if you wish to find draft emails in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us say I clicked on compose and I entered the email ID of some person. I entered the subject and then I entered it once again. Now Gmail is interesting. It will auto save any information that is here. Okay, unless you are just typing it. Even then, when you hit enter, it will save all the information. As far as you have a decent internet connection, and you'll notice draft saved written on the top. It means everything that is written here has been saved as draft. Now, where will you find these drafts? Let's say I closed it and then I closed Gmail and then I opened it again. So, where will I find these drafts? So, look at the list on the left hand side and you find a column for drafts. Okay, so if you wish to delete the entire thread, just right click on delete it. But I usually don't advise it because that will delete the entire thread, not just the draft of your email. If you simply want to delete the drafts, the draft part, click on this checkbox next to it and select discard drafts. That is how you will be able to delete the drafts only. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.